Once again, welcome to the English Literature classroom. Today I am going to teach Merchant of Venice. I already taught you about up to line 65 in my last video, and today I will continue after that. Children, you have to listen very nicely, otherwise, you will not follow. Some of you have commented to speak in Hindi. Look, Merchant of Venice cannot be explained in Hindi. It can be explained only in English. It's tough to understand for some students, I know, but still you have to watch this video again and again. If you watch it again and again, I'm sure that you will be able to understand. Okay? In my last video, when I was teaching from line 1 to line 64, I told you about Antonio. I told you about Salario and Salarino. I told you that Antonio was sad, and I told you how Salario and Salarino, they were guessing up and finding out Antonio's sadness. And now I am going to tell you that more three characters entered the scene. That is Bassanio, Lorenzo, and Grisanio. Clear? Bassanio, Lorenzo, and Grisanio. They are all Antonio's friend. Bassanio is the dearest friend of Antonio. Lorenzo and Grisanio, they are also Antonio's friend. And as they had come, Salarino and Salarino wants to go away. Salarino is telling, "Here comes Bassanio, your most noble kinsmen, Grisanio and Lorenzo, fare you well." What is after seeing Bassanio and Lorenzo and Grisanio, Salarino is telling that here comes Bassanio, means here is Bassanio, your most noble relation. And along with Bassanio, Grisanio and Lorenzo are also there. So we want to go away. We bid you farewell and leave you now to better company. Salarino is telling that I would have stayed and made you merry. Okay, if your worthiest friend had not prevented. If these two worthiest friends had not prevented, then I would have stayed here and made you merry. Salarino is telling to Antonio. Antonio is telling that your worth is very dear in my regard. I take it your own business calling you. Antonio is telling that I have great respect for you. I understand that you have some business of your own and you take this opportunity to leave me. Salarino, good morrow, my good lord. What is Salarino telling? Good morning, my good lords. Bassanio, good signals are both. When shall we laugh? Say when. Bassanio is telling that, please tell when we will laugh. Okay? When we will laugh means when we will be merry. Okay? Signals means gentlemen. Bassanio is telling good signals means good morning, gentlemen. Bassanio is telling to Salarino and Salarino and telling that when we will be merry. You grow exceedingly strange. Must it be so? Now, Bassanio, after looking, is telling him that you all have become extremely strange of distant in your behavior with me. Okay, Bassanio is telling to Salarino and Salarino that you have become extremely strange in your behavior. Salarino is telling that we'll make our leisure to attend on yours. What is Salarino is telling after listening to Bassanio? Telling that we will take out some free time and we will try to meet you. After telling this, Salarino and Salarino both go away. Then Lorenzo is telling to Bassanio, my lord Bassanio, since you have found Antonio, we too will leave you. Okay. Look, first Salarino and Salarino go away. And then Lorenzo is telling that Bassanio, as you have found Antonio, we also want to go away. And when we will meet, we'll meet at dinner table. I pray you have in mind where we must meet. And I pray you that you please meet over there. Okay? And we will meet once again at dinner time. Bassanio is telling that I will not fail you, means I will not fail to meet you. Now Grisanio, after looking at Antonio's face, he came to know that Antonio is sad, and therefore he is telling that you look not well, Signor Antonio. Signor Antonio means Mr. Antonio. Mr. Antonio, you are not looking well. From your face it seems that you are depressed. You have too much respect upon the world. Now why are you so sad? Because you think of this world too much. Therefore you are so sad. They lose it, they do buy it with much care. You perhaps do not know that those who feel too much anxiety or those who think about world too much ultimately lose interest in it. Therefore, I pray you, please be happy. Don't be sad. Then Grisanio is telling that, believe me, you are marvelously changed. Grisanio is telling that, really, Antonio, you have totally changed. And after listening to Grisanio's speech, Antonio is telling, I hold the world but as a world, Grisanio, a stage. What is Antonio is telling? This world for me is a stage. Okay? After looking at Grisanio, after Listening to Grishanio's speech, Antonio is telling that I think this whole world is a stage and where every man is playing a part and I am playing a sad part. Okay, when Grishanio is telling that Antonio was sad, at that time Antonio is telling that in this world every man is playing a part and I am playing a sad part. Okay, this line is very important, just the last line. I hold this world a stage, Grishanio, a stage where every man must play a part and mine is a sad one. Which part is Antonio playing? According to Antonio, he is playing a sad part. Okay, today up to this much. Goodbye, and again we will meet in the next video and I will continue with this.